In this video, I want to talk about tables in HTML. So let's get started. So to create a table in HTML, we'll open with a table tag. And a table tag has an opening tag and a closing tag. And within the table tag, you have table rows. Those are TR tags. In the first table row, so rows are across, you typically have table headings. In this one, let's make it 3 table headings. So make a few of these, and we'll have a heading like name, another heading like age, and maybe another heading like height. Okay. We can now create another table row, and we can put in some table data, which goes in table cells. The table cells are TD tags, so let's put my name, I'll put my age, and I'll put my height. Okay, and now let me view this table and show you what it looks like. Okay, so we've got a table with the table headings here, and then the name, age, and height, and we can add table rows to this as well. So we can do another table row here, where we have some more table data. Let's have a different person. Let's have someone named Nikki, who's, I don't know, let's say 78, and let's say has a height of 5'1". Okay, and there we go. We've got the other data. Now to make this look more like a table, you typically use CSS, but there are some deprecated attributes that you can use. So I can go into my opening table tag and use this one called border and set that equal to 0. And you'll see WebStorm, my IDE, is actually putting a line through border. It's saying, hey, you really don't want to use this one. You can, but you don't really want to. And so you can see that this is deprecated by Mozilla here. But nonetheless, it does still work. And if I look at the border now, because I have it set to 0, it's not showing anything. But if I go to 1, then I have a border. Okay. Another deprecated attribute I can use is cell padding. Okay, let's set that to 10, and that would be 10 pixels. Border would be 1 pixel in this example. And there we go. Our table's getting a little bit larger. And I can also have cell spacing. So if you see here the way it is now, I have that spacing. So if I put the spacing up to, say, 3 pixels, then I have that spacing. But if I get rid of it and go down to 0, then it makes it look like a modern table. Okay, and there, again, you should be doing this in CSS, but I thought I'd show you it in the video. It still does work. Another thing with tables is you can have a table body and a table head. So let me go here, and I'm going to wrap this with a T-head tag. And I'm now going to wrap this here with a T-body tag. Okay, and let's go look at our table. And you'll see here nothing has changed on the table, but it's structurally and semantically a little bit better designed, not wetter, better designed. Okay, we can also have a table foot. So we could do a T-foot tag. And that's an opening and closing tag as well. And within that, I could have table rows, or I could have some table data, but let's have a table row, and let's have table data, and let's give it a call span of 3, so it goes all the way across. And let's say we'll call this employee data, because for some reason in this table we're keeping the age and height of our employees. And then we see here we have employee data on the footer. That's pretty much all there is to tables. You can mess around with it, fool with it yourself, so you learn how tables work. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.